I grew up in Brighton Beach, which was, kind of from Warsaw to Brighton Beach, just like, the distance between those places. And it was before, nowadays we associate Brighton Beach with the Russians. This is before the Russians. This is where everybody's Bubby and Zadie lived, because the ones who were the poor ones, because they couldn't afford Florida. So back then, the neighborhood where I lived in was these, Yiddish speaking. It was very Yiddish speaking, but especially these elderly American Jews who liked to go on the boardwalk all the time, and then kids, families with kids. They were, what they called as refugees. We were refugee families, and typically, there was one or two kids. These were, small families, and so I grew up speaking Polish. Other kids could understand Polish. My parents actually spoke to me in Polish, and so I'm one of the few of those kids who actually wound up speaking Polish. But I heard Yiddish everywhere. Going to a store, Yiddish was everywhere. But I didn't understand it. I didn't speak it.